Okay. We believed we could. Together we did. Yes, all the services of Lions Club of Sivahasi shows the unity of our line members. This year, the services of our club are done under the needs of hopes. H for hunger, O for optical vision, P for pediatric cancer, E for environment, S for sugar, diabetic awareness. Services are categories under these topics. I am proud to share we, the Lions Club of Sivahasi, ranks first in the overall performance of the Lions Club ranking list of District 324 B4. Fine afternoon to all. Here I am Lion Indra Jayanti welcoming one and all to the program Wellness November webinar session. The moment we put a deadline on our dream, it becomes a goal. Today's session is on goal setting. I welcome with great honor and pleasure the man who doesn't need any introduction and known among all of us for his wisdom and his knowledge. The word principal itself is enough for his introduction. He is the person motivating and guiding the children every time. His efforts for the online classes are remarkable. He works at his best to take our school to the next level. I request our honorable principal of our school, Mr. P. Swaminathan, onto the screen. Welcome, sir.
Welcome all. Yeah, can I start the session?
Okay, one more, sir. Students who are interested can have a pen and a note with you to take some notes. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay.
Say good afternoon, everyone. My sincere gratitude to our Lions Club President Lion D. Prabhakaran, Secretary Lioness Selvaraj, Joint Secretary Lion N. Suresh Chanda, Treasurer Lion G. Sivashakti Balan, Joint Treasurer Lion V.K. Senthil Kumar, Program Coordinator Lion S. Indra Jayanti, all club members, all well-wishers, teachers, and my dear sons and daughters. See, I feel extremely happy to be the guest speaker of this wonderful Wellness November webinar arranged by the Lions Club of Sivahasi. First of all, see, we should know what is the difference between goal and dream. See, dear all, see, goals are nothing but dreams with deadline. So, see, a dream does not have a deadline, but goals have deadline. For example, see, I must have a PhD degree is a dream. Or suppose any of these students, you would like to become a doctor. So I would like to become a doctor is a dream. But I would like to become a doctor within 5 years or 10 years. That is goal. So goals are nothing but dreams with deadline. It is an outgrowth of our dreams. See, first we should have dreams with all collective things which we are going to achieve in future, and this dreams will sprout into goals. Okay, I think President sir is available. Two questions to him. President sir, Prabhakaran sir, am I audible? Janice, can you tell you?
Sir.
See, just two questions to our president, sir, so that I can move on further.
Oh, Anna? Anna, illa nenikiren, sir.
Okay, then the question is to you. Okay.
Okay.
See, do you have goals in life?
Yes, sir.
And second question is, goals in life. Have you ever have you ever evaluated your goals monthly or yearly basis? See, we set goals, but we have to review whether we are on the right track. So have you ever evaluated your goals on monthly or yearly basis?
No, sir.
Okay. See,
No,
this is a problem with not just you, but most of us. We set goals, we set great goals, but we never evaluate in what track we are, how far we are reaching the goals. So I think many of my students, many of my sons and daughters are, attending this. My humble request is, see, set a goal, and then and then, whenever you get time, you have to evaluate your goals, whether you are on the right track or not. So once we are evaluating, definitely, God will bless us with achieving the goals. So first of all, we have to set a goal, and then, we have to evaluate our goals then and then. See, what is a goal? See, goals are attainable. See, first of all, we should set a goal which is attainable. For example, if one of my students like to become a doctor or a teacher or a politician, whatever it is, he should keep in mind that it is attainable. Only attainable goals should be set. Well, one of us cannot dream of becoming American president. So to set goal, we have to keep in mind that it is attainable, and then it is realistic. Realistic in the sense it is relevant to the current situation. It is relevant to the current situation. So first of all, we should set a goal which is attainable. Then it should be realistic and has a time limit. That is, see, within this period of time, I will achieve my goal. So has a time limit. So time is very important. Setting a time is very important. So first we are setting a goal, then the goal must be realistic, which is achievable. And then, we should also keep in mind that it has a time limit. For example, a student studying in 12th standard, he should set a goal, to which college he is going to join or which course he is going to join well in advance, and he should set a time limit and he has to do it. And always keep in mind, our goals must be written. Our goals must be written, so that then and then we can go through these goals, we can see it, and it has to be imprinted in our mind. The goals which are written by us should be imprinted in our minds. And the final thing is very important: focus. See, the goals must be focused. For that, I think I have given a very good example there. A magnifying lens can ignite a fire or a pile of leaves. If we concentrate the power of the sun through the lens at a focused specific spot. See, a pile of leaves is there, and we have to focus the lens exactly on the pile of leaves, concentrating on the sun's rays. If you are just moving here and there, the lens, can we expect the pile of leaves to glow? No, nothing. If it has to catch fire, the lens has to be kept on the focus between the pile of leaves and the sun. So what I mean is, our concentration should not deviate. Sometimes, some hurdles may come in reaching the goals, but we should never lose hope, and we have to just focus on achieving the goal. We should not, our mind should not be fluctuating. Once goal is set, we have to go for that. There is no other way. So focus is very important. Focusing on our goals is very important. Okay, coming to the point, what is goal setting? It is a process of deciding what you want to accomplish and designing a plan to achieve the result you desire. Two things. First of all, it is a process. It is not a one-day program. It is a process. It's a process till you achieve it. So it's a process of deciding what you want to accomplish So see, anyone, see, each and everyone has our own what goals. For example, if someone of my participants, you would like to become the greatest industrialist in Shivagasi, that is your goal. You know, it is the process of deciding what you want to accomplish. Yeah, definitely you can accomplish, you can achieve that. And then designing means the different methods, the process. First of all, planning, then what are the requirements you need, how far you have to work for that. All those things come under the design. And designing a plan to achieve the result you desire. What is the result you desire? To achieve the goal. So first of all, it is a process of deciding what you want to accomplish. So first of all, decision making, and then you're planning or you're designing a plan to achieve the what goal. That is what is called goal setting. I think you all got it. See, it's a process of deciding what you want to accomplish. So it is a decision-making process of what you want to accomplish. Then you're planning, you're designing a plan so that you achieve the goal. That is it. See, now we have an activity. The activity name is Dream Sheet. It's very simple. Okay, I think most of you will have paper and a pencil or pen with you. Please make use of it. The activity, we can have it for 3 minutes. Okay. The activity name is Dream Sheet. See, you have to take a piece of paper, and write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order. Okay, up to 10. Take a piece of paper and write the numbers from 1 to 10 in list form, one by one. So take a piece of paper and write the numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that 10. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And now one more thing, very important thing is you should feel free that whatever you are going to write, that God is going to bless you, that you are going to achieve. You have to feel free to write there. Write down any 10 goals that you would like to accomplish. Write down any 10 goals you would like to accomplish in order. Think that anything you wish is granted. Anything which you are going to write, any goal you are going to write there is granted, and you are never going to fail in this accomplishment. So keep that in mind. See, we are going to write any 10 goals which we would like to accomplish, but freedom is given that whatever you are writing, you keep in mind that you are going to achieve that without fail. The activity is, again, I'm telling you, you have full freedom to write any 10 of your goals which without fail you are going to accomplish. I mean, today God has granted you, and you are going to achieve these 10 goals without fail. So if such a situation is there, what will be your 10 goals? I think you would have written. President sir, I think he's available now. He's doing a lot of services. After becoming the president of Lions Club this year, we are able to visualize that he's doing a lot of service. So definitely he'll be having a lot of goals. And this activity is given that, God is giving all these goals that will be achieved without fail. So, President sir.
அண்ணா வரலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் சார்.
அப்படியா? Okay.
Hello.
I think then Mercy ma'am is available. Mercy ma'am.
Hello.
So அவங்க ஹேண்ட் ரைஸ் பண்ணாங்கன்னா நம்ம அன்மியூட் பண்ணலாம்.
Okay.
சசி மேடம்.
Mercy ma'am. நீங்க அந்த raise hand பட்டனை press பண்ணுங்க, உங்களை unmute பண்ணுவாங்க.
ஜெயஸ்ரீயா மேடம் மேம்.
Mercy ma'am. Mercy.
Or anyone from our club also, it's they are welcome. They are welcome to read out their goals, 10 goals.
ரமேஷ் சார் நீங்களே வாசிடுங்க. ஹலோ ரமேஷ் சார்.
மேடம் இல்ல யார் எழுதிருக்காங்களோ அவங்க ஹேண்ட் ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. willing who is ready அவங்க வந்து ஹேண்ட் ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க, நான் அன்மியூட் பண்றேன்.
And Mercy ma'am is ready. Mercy ma'am is ready. She will have a lot of goals, which is going to be useful for our students first.
Bhavin, yes. Okay.
No, our junior school primary in charge ma'am, Mercy ma'am.
Unmute பண்ணிக்கோங்க Bhavin.
Lines junior school ID, you can unmute.
Screenல வரும் பாருங்க. Unmute yourself வரும். Okay. Bhavin.
ரமேஷ் சார். லைன் ஸ்கூல் ஜூனியர் கேம்பஸ் இருக்கா? ஜூனியர் ஸ்கூல்.
பாவின் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து அன்மியூட் கொடுத்திருக்கேன் மேடம். அவங்க ஹேண்ட் ரைஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. பாவின் எஸ்.
ஓகே.
உங்க ஸ்கிரீன்ல வரும் பாருங்க, அன்மியூட்னு வரும். அத அன்மியூட் கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டு
Now is audible sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Please.
I can read sir,
yes.
read the goals sir.
Definitely.
Okay.
Auditor, IPS, NIA, police, CBI, Google CEO, doctor, scientist, mechanical engineer, physicist.
See, these are milestone goals, really great, and we should, we all should be proud that we are having wonderful prides in Line School, and not just ordinary goals, milestone goals, and once it is set, God will definitely bless you, man. Very good.
Hari Prakash. Hari Prakatis. Okay.
I can read what I wrote.
Okay. Read
Astronaut, social worker, police, IAS, entrepreneur, pilot, scientist, doctor, firefighter, biologist.
Oh, super.
Great. Fantastic. Okay.
Rishi Karthik.
Astronaut, scientist, pilot.
Okay, சொல்லு தம்பி.
See that you are going to accomplish all the goals. You are not going to fail in any of the goals.
Going to Mars. Sending satellites to Jupiter.
Oh.
Sending a
Going
satellite.
to Mars.
Sending a satellite to the edge of the solar system.
To the edge of solar system.
Definitely you can, man. Definitely you can. Nothing is impossible.
Yes.
Is there anyone else? That anyone?
That's all.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
Junior school, that if you can unmute, let me hear from them also.
Mercy ma'am. ரமேஷ் சார்.
சொல்லுங்க மேடம்.
இல்ல ஜூனியர்
அவங்க என்ன நேம்ல இருக்காங்க?
ஜூனியர் ஸ்கூல்னு போட்டுருக்கா?
Lions Junior School.
Lions Junior Schoolல 3 இது இருக்கு மேடம். LJ.
சார் 3 அன்மியூட் பண்ணி விட்டுருங்க.
ஓகே.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Mercy,
And
primary in
uh,
charge.
good afternoon,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Yes, good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, miss.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Right, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, actually, you told about school, right, sir?
Hmm.
Goal. It is
Hmm.
my personal goals or about my professional goal. Which one?
No, no, your personal goals. See,
My personal.
personal goals in the, automatically when it is about personal goals, it is an inevitable
Sir,
that our
yes.
professional goals
Regarding,
also will be
sir,
there.
my yes, sir. My first goal, no, sir. Regarding my health, I have to reduce my weight. Sir, within 100 days. This is my first goal, sir.
Okay,
I
short term goal.
back. Right, sir? That's my
Hmm.
first goal. Second goal, I have a dream that I have to own a house. Right, sir?
Definitely, definitely.
Yes,
No,
sir.
all
That
these
to
goals
be,
will be
yes, sir.
granted.
That to be done by my son.
Hmm.
Then it's, I have given a very good education. He's coming up. That's my second goal, sir. Third goal, is marriage. Likewise, it is going on, sir. This is my personal thing, sir.
Okay.
Regarding school, I want a normal school, sir. I want to meet our children first. It's a dream, actually. I am expecting from our chief minister when he is going to give the golden words that primary schools can be opened. See, every day I am telling our children, sir, we want to meet because they are the energy boosters for us. Right, sir?
Okay,
Then,
that's the golden goal.
golden school, sir. Then another one, sir.
Hmm.
Whatever we are doing, sir, whatever teaching, no, sir, we want to be the role model to our children, sir. Wherever they are going, they have to tell about our school, especially Line School. We learned this one, that one. Many of our students have told, they have inscribed our name in many milestones, sir. That is a continuous dream, sir. Yes, sir. This is about my goals, personal goals as well as my professional goals, sir.
Okay, okay. Well done, well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
All these goals will be definitely fulfilled because I told all these goals are never going to
Granted, sir. You
fail.
already told it. Granted. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. I'm
Is-
wholeheartedly to be the teacher of Line School, sir. To be the primary in charge of
Okay,
school.
okay.
Right,
Sure,
sir?
sure.
Thank you.
Yes. And is there anyone else who can read out their goals? One more chance, one final chance for anyone. Any staff or any participants?
Anyone can unmute themselves and speak.
See, if anyone wants,
Is
you can
willing to-
unmute.
Yes, you can unmute yourself, sir. வாயுனா GM. உங்க மைக்கை நீங்களே கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க, அன்மியூட் ஆயிரும்.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I want to be singer, designer, artist, scientist, musician, author, finding something new, publish many goals. I can share my goal, what I wrote. Dream is not a word, it is the world.
Okay, okay. Okay, see, the purpose of this dream sheet, actually, even though it is an activity based, the purpose of this activity is to determine our dreams and goals. See, within these 3 minutes, our children, our children and staff, all they are able to sort out some golden and milestone goals which they have, and they are very eager to achieve that. So I just wanted to know whether our participants are able to determine what dreams and goals they have, and in that they have succeeded. Yeah, they are in a position to determine their goals even when at a very young age. Very good. Hats off, my dear children. Very good. Keep going. And then once they have set the goals, setting the mind in the possibility mode. That is what is called optimism. Optimism is very important. That always having a feeling that we can definitely achieve the goal. That is when you're whether it is playful or whether you have written it seriously, you have written certain goals where you feel that is possible. It is possible by you. So I just wanted to know how far you are able to determine your goals, and also whether you are able to set your that positive mind, and in that definitely all my participants have succeeded. That I could be able to find the optimism in it, optimism, especially these milestone goals really, and the golden goal, like Mersima, what she said, we want the children to be in the campus. Definitely, we all are wishing that. I think it will come soon. Okay. Now let us see goal setting.
Battery low.
See, first of all, goal setting rule. We have first one, identify your goal. See, there are many goals. Maybe some goals it is related to education, educational goals. Some are career goals. Some are financial goals. Some are business goals. Some are lifestyle goals. Some may be relationship goals. Some may be spiritual goals. Whatever it is, we have to identify our goal. That is very important. So before setting a goal, we should be very clear. We should set our mind very clear that what sort of this goal are you going to choose. Can be career as a student. Now students will be having educational goals and career goals. Business people, they will have financial and business goals, and the family people, they will have relationship goals, lifestyle goals, all these things. So we have to identify our goals. Very first thing is identifying our goals, and then we have to write it down. We have to write it down. We have to write down, just like what I said, just write down any 10 goals. Like that, you have to write it down. And not just writing and keeping it under the table and just forgetting about it. Every day you have to take it, you have to go through it, and you have to see in what condition you are. And that particular goal which you have set, it has to be imprinted in your mind. Whenever these feelings or these things are imprinted inside, it becomes thoughts and it becomes our attitudes, and definitely we put in our wholehearted effort. So we have to write down our goals, and as I said, we have to read it whenever possible. Read it as long as it is imprinted in your mind. We have to read it as long as it is imprinted in our mind. Then again, set a date of accomplishment. See, set a date of accomplishment. Here, as I said, the goals can be divided into three. One is the short-term goal. The other one is, medium-term goal. The other one is a long-term goal. I mean, any kind of goal you can set. But, whatever goals we are setting, it is not a problem. But we have to set a date of accomplishment. I mean, when you are going to achieve this. You can take from my example. See, I started my career long back, and I was working in a school as a teacher for 10, 11 years. When I was working in the school, I thought, I just wanted to become at least a coordinator in the next 3 years. And, I planned in a way that I have to work still harder so that I can impress the management and become a coordinator. And by God's grace and because of my hard work, I was able to become a coordinator. And then, I thought, okay, now coordinator is a chance for me to become a principal. So for being a principal, what are the qualities required? And again, I jotted it out. And then, I worked for that. And I learned a lot, and I got a golden opportunity. And then, as I set my goal, I was able to become the principal. And being a principal is not an easy task. Then again, I set a goal. No, now I'm the principal. All my children are my school should be the first, or my school should be the model school. So now I have set a goal. I told the time limit which I have set to take the school to the next level, or or becoming the model school. Maybe if my team of teachers work so hard and students also cooperate, with all these things. Definitely within 2 years we can move on to that level. That is my present goal. And then develop a plan of action. Develop a plan of action. That is very important. We are setting a goal, and the plan of action is very important. Why? The plan should be executed. If the plan is to be executed, we need the help of various sources. Maybe if you want to become a businessman, you need money, and then you need the good workers. You need good infrastructure. You need good facilities, everything. And if you want to become a doctor, you have to work, you have to prepare well in the NEET exam. So all these things are there. So that action plan is very important. And the time setting is also very important. Always, the next point is stay positive. Whatever happens, let it happen. But I will never deviate from my goal. So always, that positive attitude. See, it's our tendency as a human being. Lot of negative energies will, surround us, and they will try to spoil the positive attitude of any person, especially those who have set a goal. But a determined person who has planned to achieve the goal, will always stay positive. So as long as he is not allowing any negative energy to come inside, these positive vibrations will definitely help any person to achieve their target, that is their goal. So always stay positive. Positivism is positivism. Okay. So there is no other way. And then comes sacrifice. Sacrifice, what I mean is you have to come away from the comfort zone. You have to come away from come out of the comfort zone. Especially children, your parents or teachers may ask you to study. But morning it is so cold, and you feel little hesitant to get up and start your studies. But you have to sacrifice certain of your pleasures. See, as grown-ups, we'll have a lot of pleasures or lot of other things. But we have to sacrifice certain pleasures to achieve the goal. Sacrificing, that is coming out of the comfort zone. But most of us fail here. We want to achieve everything, but we are not prepared to come out of the comfort zone. But that is not the way. The right thing is you have to sacrifice certain of your pleasures, certain of your even sometimes you have to work so hard, and you have to sacrifice your sleep. That all will be there. But if you follow all these rules, definitely once you set the goal, and according to these rules, definitely it is achievable. And then I just want to know certain things from you. How many of you know Bruce Lee? How many of you know Bruce Lee?
Sir,
How many of you know Bruce Lee?
I know, sir.
You know Bruce Lee. Okay, very good. How many of you know Bruce Lee? Let me see. Kanagaraj, do you know Bruce Lee? Mr. Kanagaraj, you can unmute yourself.
I know, sir.
You know Bruce Lee? Okay. Let me ask
Yes,
you,
sir.
where is he from?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, can anyone tell me, can anyone raise your hand and tell me where is Bruce Lee born, or where is Bruce Lee from?
He's Chinese.
China?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong, China. Kanagaraj, tell me.
Sir, he born in July 20, 1973, sir.
1973.
China, sir. China.
Of course not.
Not.
In China.
Sorry, sir.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong, of course.
United States.
Who gave the answer?
California.
Actually, he was born in San Francisco, United States. Okay.
Okay.
He was born in San Francisco, United States. And see, when he was a boy or a child, they moved to China. Actually, he was born in United States, and they moved to China because of family situations. And in China, he learned martial arts. And from his childhood onwards, he was very much interested in action. So both things. One martial arts and the other thing acting. He was very much interested in this, and he tried hard. His goal was to become a greatest. To become a great actor, and he practiced martial arts. And then he thought there is more possibility, opportunities in America. So again, he moved back to America. Yes. And then one more thing. Can anyone tell me in which TV serial was he an actor, an action actor? Because he was very famous. He became very famous, becoming one of the actors in that particular action TV series.
Karate Kid.
What?
Karate Kid.
That is very recent one. This I will tell you the year 1966, 1967. That period. Okay, see, actually, he was starring a television show called the Green Hornet. Green Hornet. The Green Hornet. Hornet means what? Wasp. Vandu. Okay, the Green Hornet. HORNEST. So the Green Hornet in 1966, and Van Williams was the main actor. Van Williams was acting as the Green Hornet, and Bruce Lee, he was a side actor. His role, his name in the series is Kato, Kato. Okay, and it was going on very well. Everyone started appreciating him. But unfortunately, the producers and the directors in the series, they cancelled this one, and who was put in trouble? Bruce Lee was put in trouble, since all of a sudden the action series was cancelled, and so he struggled a lot. So during his struggle, again he came back to China. And as I told, that we have to write it down. And I gave an activity note. In the same way, he took a sheet of paper, and in that he named Major Aim. And in that he detailed his lifetime goals. Bruce Lee, in the sheet named Major Aim, he detailed his lifetime goals. And one of his major goals is that he must become a highly paid and best known Asian actor and martial artist of all times. See, life was going on very well in America when he was co-starring in the TV series The Green Hornets. But once it was cancelled, he struggled a lot. He was forced to come back to China again, but he didn't lose hope. Keep that in mind. He didn't lose hope. He came back. He prepared a sheet. In that, he wrote his major aims, main lifetime goals. And in that, his most important goal was that he has to become a renowned Asian actor, a highly paid renowned actor and martial artist of all time. So he came back. He started again, practicing martial arts, and then he himself produced certain martial, action movies. Martial action movies. I think most of you would have seen Bruce Lee's movies, action movies, isn't it? And he became very popular. And here comes the main point. Once the American producers or the directors who cancelled that show were calling him back. Please come and act in one of our movies. We will pay you as much as possible. And then he made use of the chance. He acted in many number of movies, and finally he became the highest paid and the best known Asian actor of all times. See, here comes, it's an inspiration for all. See, he set a goal and worked towards it, and he didn't lose hope. And finally, because of his hard work and determination and continuous, strive for that, he was able to become, as what he actually detailed in the sheet, Major Aim. And then the reality. What's the reality? And life is unpredictable. See, no one can predict our life. No one can predict our life. So, if he would have been in America, maybe he would have not become so popular, like how he had become so popular in China. So, we have to keep in mind always that life is unpredictable. We cannot predict our life 100%. Yes? Depend on your goals and your faith. Always depend on your goals. Okay, and your faith. You have to keep 100% faith in your goals. Yes, I will achieve it. So that always we have to depend on our goals, and you should have faith in it. Go after that goals. Go after those goals. That's what I used to tell my children. Go for the kill. Go for the kill. See, have you seen athletes? 100 meters or 200 meters, they just miss sometimes by micron of seconds. So we have to have that killing instinct. Killing instinct is very important. See, hard work is there. But if we have the killing instinct, definitely we can achieve it. So we have to go after those goals, whatever it is. Whether it is to become a teacher, or whether it is to become the best teacher, or whether I want to make our school the best school, or any of my children, like what he said, he has to fly in the satellites, he has to reach the horizon, whatever it is, we have to strive for that, and nothing is impossible. Definitely it is possible. So you have to go after those goals. The word you have to understand, go after. You have to go after those goals. Okay, and then definitely if you are going after your goals, you can achieve your goals. There is no doubt about it. You can achieve your goals. See, once you achieve your goals, you can do incredible things. Incredible. The word incredible is very important. You are going to do something amazing, which everyone is going to praise you. They will have a lot of praise for you. Suppose you became, one like Mukesh Ambani, or one like Abdul Kalam, or one like Kalpana Chawla, or one like Malaya, isn't it? So whatever way we are, we have to be the best. In whatever field we are, whether you become an industrialist, whether you become a teacher, whether you become a scientist, or whatever it is, you can do incredible things if you are setting the goal properly, and if you are able to achieve the goal, definitely you can do incredible things. Why most people don't set goals? This is quite often, asked question by many of us. Why most people don't set goals? The simple 3 reasons are there. Why? First is pessimist attitude. In the beginning, I told optimism. Optimism means one who believes in himself and one who believes in reason. Optimistic. Any optimistic will achieve. Pessimistic means, one who doesn't have any faith in anything. So that they don't believe themselves. So pessimistic attitude is one of the reasons that they don't set any goals. Pessimist attitude. Then fear of failure. See, you should be a warrior. Whether it is failure or success, don't bother about it. You should be like a warrior. And these people, those who don't set any goals, they fear of failure. Suppose if I could not achieve, my neighbors will make fun of me, my friends will make fun of me. Wait, who is going to come with you, man? No, you are going to stand on your own legs, and everyone will come at the back of you once you succeed. Don't bother about others. So you should not have fear of failure. But if you have fear of failure, you can never set goals. And low self-esteem. Low self-esteem. You don't believe yourself. So, see, someone has reached a certain height, but how can I? I can't. If you keep on believing that you cannot, you can never. So low self-esteem. You don't, believe in your talents. You have a lot of hidden talents, lot of hidden potentials. You have to identify that. You have to identify that, and you have to bring it out. Instead of that, if you don't believe in yourself, if you don't, try to bring out your potentials, you can never set goals. So these are, there are many reasons, but what I feel is these are the three main reasons which force people not to set goals. And now let me tell you why you should set goals. See, one who has set a goal, they will develop a routine for successful life. See, you have a routine. See, I have set the goal. I have to work for this much time. I have to, do all these assignments today, and you have a data. You have a time schedule, and you will go for that. So develop a routine for a successful life. So you have a routine. You won't deviate from the main path. You have a focus. You are moving towards that. Till you achieve, you won't deviate from those things. So develop a routine for a successful life. Then goals, which I mean, are stepping stones to make your dreams come true. Goals. They are the stepping stones to make your dreams come true. We have a lot of dreams. Definitely, I do have a lot of dreams. But, only when we set goals, we can work towards that to achieve that. Dreams become goals, and these goals, if you want to achieve, we have to set goals. And main thing is makes life enjoyable. Very important thing. See, nowadays the people are very rich. They are not in a position to eat well because they didn't set their goal as far as health issues concerned. See, so that goal is not set. Even though they are rich, they are not enjoying their life. And sometimes they become great industrialists. They fail in business. Because they have not set the target. So their life becomes miserable. So if you set goals, definitely you can make your life enjoyable. Conclusion. I think people around me and my dear sons and daughters, they always know, because my punch dialogue is this: nothing is impossible for a willing heart. Nothing is impossible for a willing heart. If you wish, you can. Definitely you can. So if you set a goal and work towards that with all these goal setting rules, definitely you can achieve your goals. Nothing is impossible for a willing heart. Conceive, believe, achieve. Conceive, believe, achieve. What's the meaning of conceive? Conceive in this context means plan. Plan well. Conceive in this context means conceive, plan. Believe in yourself. See, you are planning, you are having belief in yourself, and definitely you are going to achieve. So conceive, believe, achieve. And the final thing is, you can, only you can. Definitely. See, each one of you think that if you are setting a goal and working towards that with a lot of dedication, definitely you can, only you can. All the participants in this particular webinar, I assure that if you are setting a goal and working towards that, definitely you can, only you can. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Very much,
Very much,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot,
Thanks a
sir.
lot, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Send your feedback. Okay, you can send your
Thank
feedback.
you, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Jayanti madam.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable, remarkable, and encouraging message to each and everyone who participated in this webinar. The victory of success is half won when one gains the habit of setting and achieving goals. Set the goals, make the plan, get to work, stick to it, reach the goal. So, thank you very much, sir. Hope எல்லாருமே அனைமா உங்க ஃபீட்பேக் நிறைய உங்க மெயில் ஐடிக்கு வந்துரும் நான் நினைக்கிறேன் சார். இப்ப யாரும் ஃபீட்பேக் எதுவும் சொல்ல போறீங்களா? ரமேஷ் சார்.
சோ டீச்சர்ஸ்ல இருந்து ஒரு ஆளு, ஸ்டூடண்ட்ல இருந்து ஒரு 1% ஃபீட்பேக்
1% மட்டும் ஒரு ஃபீட்பேக். சார் டீச்சர்ஸ் யாராவது ஒரு ஃபீட்பேக் மட்டும்.
நீங்களே உங்களை அன்மியூட் பண்ணிக்கலாம், பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. So first சாருக்கு ஒரு பிக் ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் அப்ளாஸ் எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து கொடுக்கலாமா? அமேசிங்
சார்.
இன்னைக்கு வந்து என்னன்னா கோல் செட்டிங் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நீடட் டாபிக். அதுல இருந்து என்ன விஷயம் நீங்க எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்க, எதை நீங்க அப்ளை பண்ண போறீங்க அப்படிங்கறத ஒரு 2 பாயிண்ட் நீங்க சொன்னீங்கன்னா.
Class was very interesting, sir.
What you going to apply? Hari Pragadish. Hari Pragadish. சார் பாயிண்ட்ஸ்ல இருந்து என்ன பாயிண்ட் நீங்க அப்ளை பண்றீங்க?
What you have decided to do today? என்ன செய்ய போற?
Set a goal for myself.
Okay, very good.
The teachers overall feedback. இந்த விஷயம் நான் புதுசா கத்துக்கிட்டேன். From today I'm going to implement this அந்த மாதிரி. உங்களை அன்மியூட் பண்ணிட்டு பேசுங்க. அந்த மைக் சிம்பிள் இருக்கும், அதை அன்மியூட் பண்ணிட்டு பேசுங்க.
Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, I thank the Lions Club of Sivagasi to arrange such a wonderful function. Especially that topic given to our principal was goal setting. Really, we enjoyed these things. At one moment, what I realized was many of them did not have the aware of setting goals. I hope many children attended the function. Actually, they are the tomorrow's pillars, right? They have very great dreams. Surely they are going to win in their dreams. Sir has differentiated what is a goal, what is a dream. They have set their goals with beautiful dreams. This 1 hour time passed was very, very good, very entertained, as well as it's an everlasting program, webinar, I think so. Even I know more about Bruce Lee. I guessed he's from US, but he traveled so many places. He faced so many hurdles in his life and achieved. But I know much about him. At a very young age, he was skilled, I think so. That was in my mind. Now I corrected myself. Whatever the age life, we don't, whatever the lifetime, we don't think so. What are the achievements we have to do with our goals? No, we have to do lot of wonders in the school, in our life as well as. So we should be ever immortal like Bruce Lee. Thank you, one and all. I appreciate. I thank our principal for giving an what is it? When no boring at all. Right from the first word till end, it was very interesting. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your preparation as well as your presentation. And especially that what is it one PPT, very interesting, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Once again, I thank our principal for sparing his precious time with us and encouraging and motivated all our students. Thank you, everyone, for your eager participation in this webinar. See you all again tomorrow by 12 p.m. with our new topic, diabetics and nutrition. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.